Matt Capron here today with Hang It Display Systems, and I'm going to show you how to install the small fossil fish on the wall. We ordered the 4.5-inch polycarbonate clear. This is how it comes, with 2 brackets and 4 drywall screws. So we have our screws. They take a number 2 Phillips bit. I have a drill, stud finder, and we have a small 6-inch level where we'll level out the hanger and make sure it looks level on the wall. So we're gonna hang this small fossil fish up on the wall. Right around here looks nice. Just have to verify that there's a stud, just because I don't want to have to go through the hassle of drywall anchors. Okay, we have one here. And let me just make a little mark with our pencil and just verify. Okay, that's in there. I want to just make sure this is still like the same spot. Yeah, right in there will work. What I'm going to do next is take one of my brackets here, put it behind our fish. Kind of see where that looks good. Right in there still. Screw on the top, or you could go on the bottom hole. Next thing I want to do is I want to take my level real quick after I eyeball it, just to kind of make sure that the arms are fairly level. Okay, now we're good there. And I can go ahead and add a second screw to that. And we'll put them back up on here. And just mark the top of the tab on the wall where that goes. So I know that mark is going to be right on the top edge of our tab. And I just want to make sure these tabs are right in line. Grab my small level here. All right, we're good there. And we're just going to add 1 screw to the top. Then we'll take our fish here and we'll slide it in. And there we go. If we ever need to take it out again, we can always take it back out. And we never had to alter the back of the rock, the fossil itself. There's a little bit of flex on this, so we can kind of move it a little bit. But it's just a really nice, tight, solid fit there.